On a scale of 1 to 10, how shy are you? What makes most Filipinas shy? When are the times Filipinas feel confident and not shy? On a scale of 1 to 10, how shy are you?
I think five.
5.
Yes.
Okay. Just, like enough. Sometimes shy, sometimes not.
Depends
It depends. Depends to what?
to places or people I'm around po.
Okay. What makes most Filipinas shy, including you?
What? Ano po?
What makes most Filipinas shy, including you? What makes you shy? Aside from those, like you said, it depends to the places, to the people you're around with. What else? Especially, like,
I feel shy. I think when it comes and like I feel I have insecurities and also ano pa ba?
you feel insecure.
Yes.
About what?
About my face.
What's wrong with your face? You have like a small, tiny face. I mean, she has a tiny face. It's pretty. You have a nice, beautiful nose.
Not actually my face but my status also po.
Status.
Yes.
What's your status? Why?
Um simple girl like have big dream and grinding for a life to have a future, a good future.
So, because you're a simple girl dreaming to have a better future, that's something that you have to be shy of.
Yeah. Yes.
Why?
Because nowadays status is very important to the people and also um being poor girl like it's not parang hindi siya binavalue. Like it's not valuable person na
Now, if you are simple, meaning people tend to look down on you like that, like you don't have like value like that.
yeah, yes.
Oh my God. That's the first time that I heard that. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. When are the times Filipinas feel confident and not shy?
I think when someone is uplifting you or boost your confidence and give you motivation um to be not too shy. Like
Is that you too? Like you're like that as well?
yes, we have I have um a lot of friends so they kept me they advised me to be confident about my physical appearance and also being beautiful on my own.
You're pretty. Seriously, you are. There's nothing wrong to be, like there's really nothing to be feel insecure or shy about being a simple girl as well. Okay. Now I'm curious now. Okay, since she's pretty, are you single or in a relationship? Like do you have a boyfriend?
No, I don't have
Since how long have you been single?
5 months.
5 months. Okay. And what's your course?
Major in home economics.
Home economics.
Education.
So you're gonna be a teacher.
Yes.
What year are you now? Graduating?
Um, no, I'm third years, college student.
Third. So one more year and you will graduate. So we have here a girl group. Girl group. Okay. Don't worry, they're in college. So they just look so young. Especially this one. I thought she's like a high school student, but she's not. They're in college, second year college actually. Anyway, I've been talking a lot. Okay, the first question is on a scale of 1 to 10, how shy are you?
10 po.
10. Wow. Wow. How about you, Beth?
I would like to say 9.5.
9.5. Okay. How about you, Beth?
10 also.
10 also. Are you the type of person that, like, for example, someone approach you from public, like a stranger, and you won't talk because you're so shy?
second-hand embarrassment.
Would you talk to the stranger if someone approach you? You know, sometimes like they're
Lang po ako.
nonchalant, so she's not really gonna talk. How about
Just to pay some respect, then I will entertain him or her just for a while.
Okay, that's very fair. Good. Good for you. How about you, Be?
If I know the intention of that person to me, I
You will.
Yes, I will.
Okay. Okay, she will. Yeah, because you know most of the time Filipinos are really shy. They're gonna be like that. They tend to go like these. Yeah. So that's good for you and you too, right? And you really she's really shy. Even when we approach her, she's like, I don't want. Okay. Anyway, what makes most Filipinas shy, including you? What makes you shy?
When I see my crush and he looks at me,
Okay. Other than crush, what else?
when I'm not presentable,
When you're not person. Okay. I think even me. I'll be like, oh. How about you?
Pag ano po, pwedeng Tagalog.
You can do it. You're good.
Pag hindi nakakasagot sa mga recitation.
Oh, when she couldn't answer recitations, like for example, her teacher asked her a question and she couldn't answer that. That's when she feels shy. Aside from that, what else? Like for example, you're outside, you're in the crowd.
Siguro pag mag-isa po.
Okay, when she's alone, she said. When she's alone. Okay, how about you, Beth?
Just likewise, likewise, kay,
Like her. Like you will feel shy when you don't feel like
when I doesn't look presentable.
when you're not presentable.
Sometimes I look stupid.
Oh my goodness, you don't. On a scale of 1 to 10, how shy are you?
Maybe perhaps 6.
6. Okay, okay. What makes most Filipinas shy, including you?
Basically for me, for instance, their attitude, I guess, and also probably their manners, the way they approach each other.
Or that's when you feel shy.
Yeah. Yes.
Are you like a shy type of person or not all the time?
Today I'm not actually because I'm still working, which is my work is from Toyota company where people are not barely shy at all ever since we are in a sale programmer. Yes.
I see. Yeah, you're not shy. You were able to accept our interview, right? She was like, okay, let's do it. Yeah, she's confident, actually. When are the times Filipinas feel confident and not shy?
When they know actually their information, I guess, and also um, maybe perhaps wait. But can you repeat the question?
Okay. When are the times Filipinas feel confident and not shy?
The first thing that I said is basically they don't know about their information. Whether perhaps for me, because I'm a marketing assistant, also we need to proclaim our informations and also the variant ways to handle the clients.
You know the way you talk, like you have very like the way your voice is, the way you answer the questions, you're like very shy. Yeah, exactly. Yes, seriously, she sounds like very shy, like a type like a shy type person, but you're saying that you're not.
Because this is my first time that someone interviewed me. Yes.
Okay, are you like a loud person, like like that?
Not at all. Not at all.
Not. Okay. Okay. So, well, anyway, thank you so much for having this interview. We really appreciate your time. Thank you so much. Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for watching and take care, everyone. Bye.
Beautiful reflections